My biggest question is this supposed to be a replica or a duplicate? Because now nangu Umasanza is running after people and asking them where are they getting the t-shirts, because these t-shirts, the texture is so low, the material, the quality in Dwangolena, like he's trying to explain the authenticity in his brand and how people are stealing his things and why they should not be doing that. He put it upon himself ukuthi he's going to search and find out because on the internet there is no location, all they have is numbers, and I don't think he's going to do a good job because uneonaye uthe uyamsiza ukuthi athole ukuthi labantu laba abobani. Unfortunately there was no location, but he only had numbers. Then he was like, okay, you just have to call them. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing A House of Zwide. Sanibonani abusheni molweni minjani yipfukile hingangwina. So namuhla ka ngokuba hina wa House of Zwide shuto asithamsekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Benjamin was called to come and try and assist ukuthi sicela usitholele ingane or sicela usitholele location ibandla, and they was like, no, I'm not going to tell you until you tell me what is going on. Then they but duck and dive athi kahle kahle ngiyazi abuti how okisigebekwa, so and then he was like, no, Mina, I've changed, I'm no longer doing that, now I'm a changed man, I only do everything that is proper. But at the end of the day he agreed to do Zobasiza. Now the problem is 10,000 she is not coping and asking everyone if they found the money or they just do not have plan B. So manje location iyangena they need to go to that location by Tolingani, and I'm just bored with the fact ukuthi ingane iyabaleka naye bazothi mabafika ku location bathola ukuthi akunamuntu wejesu. I don't know what to think of this, but angicabanga ukuthi bazoyithola ingane first and ukelethe uyadelela.